The Executive Board of the ATC EUC, Air Traffic Controllers European Union Coordination, held a meeting on Tuesday in Paris, mainly to discuss the further measures to take against the Single European Sky 2+.
What we are negotiating today is actually the way forward. Single European Sky 2+ comes too fast, too early, because not even the Single European Sky 2 is in place. The indications of the states in the Vilnius meeting were very clear. At least 50% of the states will refuse it.
The meeting comes after a series of unsuccessful negotiations with the Commission, including the so-called Action Day in October, aiming at making a strong appeal, which was postponed at the end.
We had a meeting in Malta of ATC EUC, and the Commission sent a delegation to convince us to postpone or cancel this Action Day. In the meantime, we had a series of meetings, all with the same result, nothing. So that's why we are here today.
The ATC EUC is set to provide safety to more than 10 million flights every year. Volker said they do all this for safety reasons and will continue to let their voice heard.
Safety is not measured. Safety is just taken. But safety is my job. We don't consider ourselves as an industry. We don't produce anything. We only produce a safe flight. We make sure that a passenger can depart and arrive safely wherever he wants to fly to. And this is what we are paid for.